NIGO mukonyi bumurai bwenso mukuru Rigathi Gachagua abori Obotuki Gokorekana irio kumanya ekikirerete ng'eno gusiria ogima bwaye abori itukuria igoro nanya nabo nigabori omwaziri bw'oburendi bwaime Kipchumba MURKOMEN KWERUSIA ABISI ERIO-EAMTE ng'eno ENYORE OBOENE.
As we call for investigations, I must say that Kipchumba MURKOMEN cannot be CS Interior, and the family of Ngeno and the Kipsigis community and other Kenyans expect fair and transparent investigations because Kipchumba MURKOMEN has been fighting Mheshimiwa Ngeno. We want to ask President William Ruto to ask Kipchumba MURKOMEN to step aside to allow for thorough investigations into the air crash. Alternatively, if the president must keep Kipchumba MURKOMEN, who is responsible for creating violence in Kenya, the CS Kipchumba and PS Remodomono are responsible for the violence that is going on in the country. They are the ones who are supposed to protect the people of Kenya, but they are the ones unleashing violence. You have seen international criminals who have been slapped with the sanctions by the United States have passports. These passports are being given by Kipchumba MURKOMEN, threatening the security of the country, the region, and the world. The RSF commanders are housed in Ruda, in a house guarded by the General Service Unit, and that is the work of Kipchumba MURKOMEN. The security of the country is under threat. The security of the region is under threat. And we are afraid that if Kipchumba MURKOMEN will be the CS Interior leading to the general election, he is going to create civil war in this country because he's the one responsible for violence. So if William Ruto cannot ask Kipchumba MURKOMEN to step aside, we ask that we get the Scotland Yard or the FBI to come and carry out independent investigations into the air crash that caused the demise of Johanna Ngeno. We want to send our condolences to his family and the people of Emuru and the Kipsigis community and members of parliament. He was a great leader. He had great ideas. I have really lost a great friend, a confidant, a political soulmate, a man we shared many values.